Today I'm gonna unbox my Mother's Day gift. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna do unboxing of my Mother's Day gift. It's a Tiffany piece. I wanted to have this Tiffany piece for such a long time. It's been already several price increases for this Tiffany piece, but you know, when it's time is right, the time is right. And finally I got this piece. I hope you agree that it's a great piece. I like this little thingy, something really cute. By the way, it's my first piece for myself personally, and my second piece from Tiffany. The first time I purchased it was a bracelet for my daughter in silver, and I don't remember that they were giving these little cute pieces. I have to double check what is that. If any of you know, because this is not plasticky, it's actually kind of weighty, beautiful piece, so let me know what is that. Anyway, let me show you what I got. Without any further ado, I just gonna unbox. I'm gonna tell you my thought process, why I specifically choose this beautiful piece, what else I tried. So here is the receipt, and this is just a copy of my payment, and the other receipt they send me electronically, just for my own reference. One thing also I learned about Tiffany, I was kind of a bit surprised, so let me see. Just kind of goes like that, the box. This is the dust bag for the piece. So this is also, I guess, similar to Cartier, little. And that's what I got. It's Tiffany Hardwear Collection Earrings in yellow gold, size large. There you go guys. Let me take them off the box. Really cute, really cute. Let me just take them off, and I will bring it a little bit closer to the camera and will show to you. So that's how they look like. Let me just put them, okay? Make sure that the camera is focusing. Yeah, that's how they look like. This is individual one. Right there on top, I thought that they're gonna be flipping, but they're actually attached, so you cannot really move them. So if you're gonna see on Instagram somewhere those ones flipped over, so that's not the real one, that's the fake. So this one, they stay like that. Okay, so let me put them on, and I will come closer to the camera. They're very easy to put on and take off. It's kind of like very secure lock mechanism. The only one thing's funny, they kind of make that little bit kind of metallic moving noise, but because obviously they are attached, and when they move they make that little noise. So let me come a little bit closer to the camera. I hope it's focusing. So that's how they look like. This is size large. I hope it's focusing. This is size large. In the boutique I tried size medium, and medium also they have a presence. They're quite substantial, but clearly not as much impact as a large one. I didn't even try the extra large because I can imagine the extra large will be humongous, but I love how easy they're like kind of put on. And one more thing, There is no left and right. You can go left, you can go right, because they are absolutely identical. And one more thing, I was surprised and I learned that apparently there is no like authenticity code on any of the Tiffany, I don't know, earrings. Right here, guys, I have to stop my video because apparently there is actually production number. It's not authenticity number on the earrings, but it's a production number. And I have another very funny and important story for you to tell. So stay tuned for that video because I want to show you in detail what happened and how we solved that issue. So please stay tuned for another video about Tiffany. Maybe on their, I don't know, engagement rings they do have, because it's diamonds and stuff, but this one there is no any individual ID for the earrings. Clearly it says Tiffany on them, you can see it through magnifying glass, but no any specific ID. And as I said, I tried them on, I think in November last year. Yes, about November last year, maybe even beginning of the December, and they were $300 less expensive in Canadian dollars, but I didn't get them at that time because I was kind of like this jiggly sensation and, you know, making this noise. But I keep thinking about them because I cannot, like, you know, put them off my head, because I really love design and I love that it goes really well with my Cartier pieces, because here's my Justin Clou, here's my Panther, my Justin Clou ring, and it's kind of going with this hardware collection, a little bit like kind of rustic, a little bit modern design, and I find that it really goes well with my Cartier pieces. And I absolutely love. Another things about these earrings, I noticed, let's say, especially in the summer, if you're gonna wear, like, I don't know, with pair of denim t-shirt, you can put just simply these earrings and you don't have to put any other jewelry pieces, no necklace, nothing like that, and it will look absolutely great, absolutely great. If you were asking me why I didn't go for size medium, medium is nice size, and most likely I will be include also the videos when I was tried them in December or November last year, because at that time I took video. This time I didn't take any video, and I find like they're nice, but they're more of the everyday. This one you can wear it as everyday, but at the same time they are substantial enough to be on special occasion earrings, and that's what I love about them. They are, there is a weight to them. It's not that there is no any weight, and most likely I'm gonna take weight measurements for these earrings, and I'm gonna put some kind of short video over here to include. There is a weight in them, but it's not that they're like a solid gold piece, because if they would have been solid gold piece for this size, literally your ear lobes will be on the floor. That's how heavy they would be. There is a substantial weight, but it's not something that completely dragging you down, and that's what I love. I love the ease of putting on and off. I love that it's kind of like really iconic design, kind of like edgy, modern at the same time. I love this design. It's absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love. And I think it's something that modern today, and I'm absolutely positive in the next 10 years also it will be the modern piece, because the same way, like, let's say Justin Clou, it's modern today, it will be modern in 10 years. This is kind of classy pieces that never go out of style, and that's what I love. And also, just at the end of this video, I learned that they're gonna have another price increase literally just in a few days, so that's why I kind of more jump on the purchase of these beautiful earrings, because I already passed on them. The last time they increased by $300 Canadian. I mean, now there is another price increase happening, and it looks like it's going to be a substantial price increase. So I'm glad that I purchased these beautiful earrings. So let me know what you think. Do you think that they're a beautiful piece? Do you think that they look great on me? Please put all your comments below. If you already have this piece in your collection and you wear it for some time, also let me know what you think. Do you have any kind of challenges with this specific piece or no? Please put all your comments below. Thank you very much for being here with me, and I will see you on my next one.